Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I've been really trying to make the most of my outdoor space this summer, and these solar lanterns from Venniy have really helped me do that. This 2-pack of Rattan solar lanterns are so beautiful. I love this gorgeous warm glow that they put out, and they are beautiful even during the daytime. I love this sort of retro design to the rattan, and it has this beautiful pattern, and it's really cool that at nighttime that pattern casts a really beautiful, interesting looking shadow, and I think it's so cool. They're super easy to use. They have the little mini solar panel, and it is automatic, so they will come on when it gets dark, or you can just turn them on and off on demand. They are really lightweight but durable. They're waterproof, and they also have the ability to be hung. They have a handle, so you could hang them on a hook or on a stairway, anywhere that you need a little bit of extra light and something beautiful. I love the cozy feel they add to my outdoor space, and I absolutely love looking at them day or night. So I could not be happier with these charming little lanterns. They are absolutely adorable, and they give me that little bit of extra lighting I was looking for. And that's my point of view.